If you have an HP, Canon, or Epson inkjet printer, I'm going to show you how you can add some skills to your Echo device and bring out some hidden tricks that you didn't know your printer had. So if you have an Echo device and you've been having it for a while, then you already know that to extend her abilities, you have to install skills to make her do things that she cannot do internally. You probably already know what skills are, but if you don't, click the link above and I will explain. Now remember, you can install skills through your app or you can do it online. So let's start off with the Epson printer. So all you have to do is search for that skills, Epson or Epson printer, and you should see that skill pop up looking just like this. After you enable the Epson printer skill, here's a list of things that you can ask the Epson printer to do. Print a help page, print a design paper, print photo props, print scrapbooking kit, print a calendar, print ruled paper, print graph paper, print music paper, print Sudoku, print shopping list, and print a to-do list. So all you have to do is just say, Alexa, ask Epson printer to print a help page. And once you say those commands, she's going to connect to that printer and print you out a help page. And everything else that's on that list, all you have to do is ask and she's going to produce it for you. The Epson Skills uses remote printing features. That's part of the Epson Connect services. So all you have to do is just register with the service and then you can start using this skill to do remote printing. And the service is free to sign up and the link will be in the description. If you have an HP printer, you want to download the HP Skills and connect it to your Echo device. And then you're going to reveal all the hidden tricks that your printer can do. So unlike the Epson printer, the HP printer can do a whole lot more. So let's go down the list. Number one, you can scan. So you can scan documents straight to an email. You can scan to smart tasks with a name that you already created. Contract, for instance. You can make copies. You can say make one copy or you can say make 2 copies. You can print shopping lists. You can print to-do lists. And you can create other lists that you already made inside your Echo device by just saying print, for instance, travel lists. You can print forms, which includes a checklist, line paper, metric graph paper, and a calendar for the next month. You can also print coloring pages from Crayola, and it could be coloring pages for yourself or for your kids. You can print coloring pages from Just Add Color or print Art Therapy. You can print today's comics. You can print games like today's crossword, a number puzzle game, a word search game, and bingo cards. And finally, you can get help and support by just asking for it. So you can check to see if your printer is online and ask for things like, how do I delete the print queue? So the commands to get all of this done on your HP printer is to just say, Alexa, ask my printer to print my shopping list, for example. And just like the Epson printer, you need to register for an account, which is free. And I'm going to put that link in the description also. And also you need to download the HP Smart app to your mobile device. And finally, for the Canon printers, you want to download that skill and add it to your Echo device. So you'll be able to do things like ask her to print coloring pages, number, place, puzzles, your shopping list, and your to-do list, and many more things according to Canon. You'll be able to check for printer errors, low ink levels, and just check for general status of the printer itself. You'll be able to turn the printer on and off, but that feature is only limited to printers that was made after late 2019. But if you have a printer that has an auto on and off feature, then you shouldn't have to worry about that because it's going to wake up when it's time for it to print and go to sleep when it's not being used. So to use the Canon skill, you need a Canon Inkjet Cloud Printing Center account, basically a Canon ID, which is also free to sign up for. Once you sign up for an account and then you enable the skills, you can start taking advantage of all these hidden tricks that's built into your Canon printer. So if you have a Pixabay or a Maxify Canon printer, then you should be able to take advantage of all these tricks. I'm gonna leave a link to all the compatible Canon printers that you can use with this skill. So there you have it. So if you're the proud owner of a HP, a Canon, or an Epson printer, so all you have to do is just search for the skill inside your Alexa app, and then once you enable the skills, go down to the description and follow the link to your printer to sign up for an account, which is free, and then start enjoying all those hidden tricks that's built into your printer. All right, so if you have any questions, go ahead and leave it down there in the comment section. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I want to thank you for taking the time for watching it. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.